Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be pocket options day. Okay, yesterday, day 3, I didn't have the chance. I didn't have time really because it was late night to perform the trades. So I just didn't record the videos. Okay, and yes, today is going to be day 4 of the $1,000 journey towards the 1,500 journey in 30 days. So let's see how it goes. So we have it's 8:08. So let's see if we can wrap this session before 9 o'clock. And we're gonna adjust this one to 1% right there. And right now I'm on the lookout for this one because it's doing an uptrend. We can see the crossover on the MACD. We can see some um, candles closing above the SMA, so the 10 and 20 SMA, and we also can see that we are on the uptrend. So everything indicates that the price potentially will have a continuation to the upside, which is potentially all the way to this line right here. Because as you can see, it did one high, a pullback, high, pullback, and then potentially another high before another pullback. But it's consolidating a little bit, as you can see from here. It did also the same thing. It consolidated a little bit, and then after that, the price decided, okay, let's go, boom, and the price went up. So hopefully that will be the case in this scenario again, and we'll be able to take advantage of this pump opportunity. Okay, so back to the trading sheet. So day 4 right here. So 140, so it's 1040.28. So today's target is 1050.68. Okay, and yeah, we're only going to risk 1% of our balance. Okay, so let's just wait and see. So we also got this one going on. Let me extend this a little bit more. Okay, we also got this one going on. So we already missed this dump right here, but it is what it is. Sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, on the lookout to this one. This one is not doing much. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna look around and see if I can find more opportunities. So stay tuned in. Back to this one, Pfizer. We can see that price failed to break the local high right here. So potentially this pattern will be broken and we will see a dump to this red line, okay? MACD showing a crossover and we were seeing red bars right there. So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. If the price going to consolidate a little bit before break down below, or it's going to recover and have a continuation to the upside. I strongly believe that, from here, price will go down. So I don't think price will recover. We're going to take an entry position right here. And you're going to place another one there. Even though we are seeing green bars over there, I strongly believe the price will have a continuation to the downside. We can see that we are on a downtrend, slightly on a downtrend. The candles are closing below the 10 and 20 EMA, 10 and 20, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 10. Yeah, 10 and 20 SMA. So everything indicates that potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. We can see lots of red candles right there. Okay, even though the histogram is showing green and red, um, I strongly believe the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, as you can see right here, it's far ahead, far away from this green line. And yeah, seems like the pattern is broken. So we're going to see a continuation to the downside. We have 16 seconds on the first trade and 16 seconds on the second trade. So the target today is 1050. So seems like we're going to lock these first two trades. First one is in the bag and the second one is also locked. Cool. So we are $9 away. So what I'm going to do right now, because this already had a significant dump, potentially going to see a pullback around this area. So let me draw a line so you can see it. So potentially we're going to see a pullback around here. Price most likely will react to this area. So we're going to make this one yellow or orange, whatever. Okay, so price potentially will react to this area. As you can see right here, it reacted in the past. So potentially price will come over here, consolidate a little bit before have a continuation to the downside, if that's the case. Okay, in the meantime, let me look around and let me see what's up. Rates, we can see that we don't have any pairs around, not many favorable charts for our trading standards. Okay, so we have this one right here. We can see that it's on a downtrend, and we got the local bottom right here. So what I'm looking right now, we can see that it's on a downtrend. Okay, we had this pump over here, but now price is reacting. As you can see, we got the peak right here. That's why I like to use the zigzag, so it can identify the local peak. And it seems like price is reacting to this green line, which is green line, and go back down. If that's the case, we will take a lower position because we can see that we are on a downtrend below the 100 SMA, and we can see also red bars starting to form on the MACD. So usually that's a sign that price will have a continuation to the downside. Perhaps we entered a bit late on this trade, so let's see how the price is gonna react. Okay, so potentially the price will go up a little bit because this is a very bearish candle. Okay, we got another entry right there. We got lots of red bars forming. So we can see that potentially the MACD will do a crossover. And if that's the case, we will be able to, because we are going low and the price will go low. So hopefully that will be the case and we'll be able to secure. We can also see that the candles are started to close below the 10 SMA. We can see a crossover right there. Candles are closing below, and also candles are starting to cross over the 20 SMA. So that's another confirmation that the trend has changed. So we're no longer going up, now it's going down. And that's why we are taking lower entries. Okay, so we have 5 entries going on. Okay, they are about to expire soon. So the first one is done. So we got $8. So if you win all these trades, so let's see how it goes. Price here, it came over here to the 20 SMA and bounced back down. Okay, so hopefully price will stick to the plan and come all the way to this green line right here. So see, you got 2 trades going on, 4 seconds and 3 seconds. Okay, we got that one and we got that one. So 1046. So the target is 1050. So we just $4 away. Okay. So this trade is done. So let's have a look around. Let me show you what I got next. So this one was trading on this pattern. So I decided to price in this, draw this top and the bottom resistance and supports. Okay. And expecting that the price would come over here and be rejected to the downside, okay? But it did not happen. But you can see over here on the MACD that the signal is getting weaker, lots of red bars, and we got a crossover right here at the top. So potentially now the price finally will come down to this area right here. But it's also going to be a risky trade because we can see that we are on the uptrend, okay? So price might not come all the way down. So what I'm going to do in this case, I'm just going to simply wait and see what's going to happen, okay? So I'm going to wait for the pullback to end, and then once the pullback finishes and we have a confirmation on the MACD that the signal is changing, I will then ride on the way up because you don't want to trade against the trend, okay? As you can see right here, it didn't pull back as far as we thought it would, okay, because we're still on the uptrend. Next one in line, I have this one. This is a real pair. This is not OTC, and we can see that it was on a downtrend, so forming lower highs and also lower lows. So what I was looking for on this one, I was expecting the price to come over here to this line or around this line and have a pullback, okay? At the same time, we can see on a MACD, signal is getting weaker. We can see lots of red bars. So potentially, price pumped a little bit higher than the line. But from here, price eventually potentially will come down to this area. If that's the case, we will take a trade on this one. So this is OTC, this is not OTC, this is the real market. So I'm probably gonna go for 2 minutes on this one. Next one up, we have Pfizer. Like I said to you, potentially the price would come over here to this red local bottom, red line right here, which is called the local bottom, and it actually did. But the reason why I didn't take the trade is because I said to you around this area, the price will react. And as you can see right here, price reacted. So this wouldn't be the best trading scenario because candles are closing very close to each other. Okay. So what I'm going to look for now is see how the price is going to react from here. Okay, we're still on the downtrend as you can see right here. I'm going to wait and see how the price is going to react. If the price is going to go up or from here, we're going to continue to go down. Next one up, we have this one. This one is not doing much. Okay, so candles are closing very close to each other, so it can be a dangerous trade. So yes, those are the updates I got for y'all. Okay, so this one is seems like it's finally coming down. Okay, let's see how far this one goes. But you know, as you can see right here, sellers are struggling to push the price down. Okay, so it can be a risky trade because we're still on the uptrend. And we have this one. Yeah, it worked out perfectly. Came over here to the green line, and now is going back up again for another ride. So let me extend this line. Again, we're on a downtrend, so on this trade right here, this currency pair, we're only going to take short positions or lower positions because we're still on a downtrend. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. Whenever I find the next opportunity, I'll let you know. This one is turning bearish, as you can see right here. Market crossover. So what I'm going to do, we can see the candles are starting to close below the 10. Well, they were, okay, below the 10 SMA. And usually that's a sign that the trend is changing, but they have not closed below the 20 SMA, okay? So I still believe that the price potentially will come down, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. That's why I was waiting for to place a trade. I was about to place a trade on this candle, but this candle closed above the 10 SMA, so I decided to hold my horses. This one right here, yes, it played out nicely, but I did not take that trade, I'm afraid. Okay, so it came all the way down, so I could have taken the trade over here, but I didn't because I was watching this one right here, so I missed the opportunity. So now we're gonna wait and see how the price is going to react over here in this area. If the price is going to reverse and pull back, okay, come over here to this green line, or we're going to see a continuation to the downside. If you're going to see a continuation to the downside, we can say that the local border potentially it's here. Let me just draw this line. So we can say that the local bottom potentially it's here. So if the price continues to go down, and I think it will, because as you can see right here, price is far away from the Keltner channel. Okay, so this seems like it's going to be a dump, but at the same time, we can see the flashing green part over here. So again, price is reacting to this area, and then from here, price might come up. Okay, so let me flick this back to 1 minute. Okay, we got the green candle starting to form, but the price still outside the Keltner channel, so we must wait. Let me have a look at this one. Okay, this one's still hovering around here. Okay, so this one it might take some time because this is the real market. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen with this one. So if this one continues to come down, most likely will come down here, and I think I'm going to take 2 minutes and then we're going to go lower to try to catch this trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go for 2 minutes because as you can see, bars are closing very close to each other. So 2 minutes is going to be enough time to try to secure the trades that we're going to place. Okay, just in case the bars close close to each other, we will try to secure that trade. Okay, and let's have a look at this one. Okay, this one potentially is not going to go as we planned, but not a problem. This one is pumping. Is this one coming back to the previous pattern? We shall see. But we can see that it broke this purple line right here, and now it's pumping hard. Is now going uptrend, so that's a good sign. Let's keep an eye on that one. In the meantime, let's have a look at this one because this one is the one that we're potentially going to take a trade on. So, okay, seems like candles are starting to come inside and closing inside the Keltner channel. So this one potentially will close inside the Keltner channel. We can see green bar starting to form over here and potentially going to see a crossover on the MACD. Okay, so everything indicates that the price potentially will go up and will follow the pattern. Okay, so we placed 2 trades already for 2 minutes and 11 seconds because we might face some consolidation. So let me place another one right there. So price might consolidate a little bit. Another one here. So we're placing 2 minutes and 11 seconds trades. Enough time for the price to develop and have a continuation to the upside. So MACD still got green bars right there. We got the crossover, but the price is having some issues, I shall say, around this area, but hopefully we're going to see a continuation to the upside because that's what we want, right? Because we are going higher this one, so we go high and score all these trades. Okay, so price is price is not doing much right now, but we can see price candles are closing in above the 10 SMA, which is a good sign, indication that the trend is changing. So let's see how fast the trend will continue to go up so we can secure these 5 ongoing trades. So 50 seconds on the first one. So yeah, plenty of time. So hopefully will be enough time for the for the chart to develop and we can secure these trades. Okay, so if it's all 5 trades, we're gonna reach our target, 1050. Okay. So hopefully that will be the case. Price will have a continuation and we'll be able to clean all these trades. Another one here, another one there. Ooh, 7 trades going on. One thing you should keep an eye on is the payouts. Yesterday, I was trading a stock pair and we won those 2 trades. Oh, damn, this red bar is going to kill it now. And the payouts went from 7, I think, to 33. So I was like, I won 5 or 6 trades in a row, but the payout was really, really crap. I was like, damn, what's such a bad luck? Yeah, so keep an eye on the payouts, right? Because the payout can change all of a sudden, okay? So keep an eye on the payouts. Okay, so we got 2 trades going on, 1 minute and 1 minute and 10 seconds. So price is consolidating a little bit. I'm glad that I took the opportunity, took the decision to reset the time for 2 minutes instead of 1 minute because price is reacting to this area right here. But hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside and we will be able to clear the remaining 2 trades. Okay, out of those trades, we lost 1. Okay, cool, not bad at all. And yeah, so we still got these 2 trades going on. Let me have a look around at this one. Yeah, this one is not going to go as we thought it would. This one is going to have a pullback potentially to this line right here. We can see a crossover, lots of red bars. But yeah, we got this one going on, so we're going to focus on this one. We have 9 seconds on the first trade. So yeah, 2 minutes, plenty of time, and seems like we're going to be able to secure these 2 trades. Cool. So the first one is in a bag, second one is in a bag, and we reach our target. So it's 840. Okay, and yeah, I'm happy with the results. Let's wrap it up.